Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs quickly. First, gather your ingredients: 2 or 3 large eggs, a splash of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add your liquid, and whisk them thoroughly for about 15 to 20 seconds. This incorporates air, making your eggs light and fluffy. Don't forget to season them now for the best flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Place a non-stick pan over medium heat and add about 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter is melted and slightly bubbly, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs set for a few seconds without stirring. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process for about 60 to 90 seconds. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is knowing when to stop cooking. Remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly wet and glossy, not completely dry. The residual heat will continue to cook them to a creamy consistency. Give them a final gentle stir for 5 to 10 seconds. Transfer them to a plate right away and enjoy your perfectly fluffy, quick scrambled eggs with your preferred toppings. Here are a few extra tips for consistently amazing scrambled eggs. Always use fresh, high-quality eggs. They truly make a difference in flavor and texture. Remember, the biggest mistake is overcooking, so pull them off the heat when they're still a little moist. For more great kitchen hacks and product recommendations, check the description below. You'll find links to some of my favorite tools, plus a special deal on Darn Tough socks, which are incredibly comfortable and durable. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.